guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the CONVERSE Sponge CX CRATER. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the Sponge CRATER slip-on, or the Sponge CX CRATER from CONVERSE in a UK size 8. It's a European 42.5 and it's a US men's 9. So let's get unboxing. And for those who don't know what CRATER is, it is here. So you can tell out of the box that this is taking inspiration from Nike's CRATER foam. And obviously Nike own CONVERSE and they've incorporated a lot of their technologies together. This is pretty, I mean, when you first see these sneakers, I wouldn't say that this was from CONVERSE. Obviously it says CONVERSE on the pull tab, but that's neither here nor there. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole of the sneaker is made out of the majority of this CRATER foam. CRATER foam is a foam that's designed by Nike and it incorporates the use of unwanted or used scraps from previous footwear designs, and they've used like that scraps, that wastage into making this foam. And again, it's really great for in terms of sustainability and reusing products. So Nike have used it a lot. So we've done tons of CRATER Nike lines, we've done CRATER Air Force Ones, CRATER Jordans even. So check out the reviews that we've done in the past. This pair of CONVERSE uses the same technology involved, and it is the outer body right here. So essentially it is the foam body that makes up this sneaker. So you can see it even here on the midsole. The midsole does provide some PU foam that's inside here. And you got a CX sock liner as well. So we have done some CONVERSE CX. Do check those out because those were really comfortable. So what I'm hoping is that these are going to be really comfortable as well when I show you the on-feet review. And just underneath this CRATER body, you can see a sock liner. So again, like the foam that surrounds this sock liner that's underneath for you, obviously to get your feet in, is made out of recycled content, recycled polyester, and the mesh is very breathable as well. You can see you take little looks at the perforations there. This does look like a house slipper. I'll show you here. If you look at the top down angle right there. But I'm sure like a lot of people will start wearing these out. I mean, people wear Crocs out, people wear the obviously Yeezy foam runners. And if you're a company who are specializing in like foam slip-ons or clogs, this is your time to shine. Everyone has been on this wave. Shout out Mule Boys always. And we've done tons of clog reviews in the past before. Myself, Jeff and Chris were big advocates for Crocs, and I can only hope for good things with this CX CRATER sponge. And it's a very unique design. Again, like I mentioned at the beginning, I wouldn't think that this was a CONVERSE sneaker or slip-on, as they want to be called. Just before we delve into an on-feet, the sock liner, the insole is that CX foam, so you've got that comfort underneath. You've got two pull tabs right there, CONVERSE logo, and at the back, the heel tab here, you got a CONVERSE star. Just going back to the CRATER foam, so you can see the little speckles of color, different colors around, and that just indicates that this was made out of space CRATER or recycled shoe products. Really excited to try these on actually, to see how they fare against other slip-ons that we've done in the past. Hopefully they're really comfortable. I only expect great things when it comes to CONVERSE, because we here at Oneupreviewz, we love pairs of CONVERSE. Shout out CONVERSE. If anyone from CONVERSE is watching, hook your boys up. So roll out footage of me trying these slip-ons on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend it you get your true to size Converse fit. These are half a size too big for me because they're a UK size 8. I usually wear a UK size 7.5 when it comes to Converses. These look really unique, very interesting. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the insock. Maybe they could have just been done with the foam, but I think that's because I'm so used to wearing Crocs. That's just my personal thing. It's quite bumpy, I'm not gonna lie to you, the outsole, but they're relatively comfy on. Very interesting, very unique in regards to wearing it as a house slipper, but you know, different strokes for different folks. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.